Have you ever wondered what it would be like to step into the future? Well, with technologies like Meta AI, we are doing just that. Imagine a world where your ideas can come to life with a simple conversation, where complex problems find simple solutions, and where creativity knows no bounds. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, it's the reality we are building today. Meta AI is like a new frontier, full of exciting discoveries and surprising turns. It's a tool designed to understand us, to help us, and to expand what's possible. Let's explore this amazing world together and uncover some of the wildest surprises it has in store for us. It's a journey that's just beginning, and everyone is invited. Many people hear the term artificial intelligence and immediately think of super smart robots taking over the world. This is a common myth, often seen in films and stories. The truth is much more grounded and far less scary. AI isn't about creating a new form of life to replace us. Instead, it's about making our own lives easier and better. Think of it less as a rival and more as a very capable assistant. Another common belief is that AI is only for scientists and programmers, something too complex for everyday people. But that's not true either. AI is becoming more accessible every day, woven into the very fabric of our digital experiences in ways we might not even notice. Another misconception is that AI is a single, all-knowing brain. In reality, AI is a broad term for many different types of smart software. Some AI is great at understanding language, like the chatbots we talk to online. Others are experts at recognizing images, like the technology that helps sort your photos. Meta AI is a collection of these specialized systems, working together to perform incredible tasks. It doesn't have feelings or desires of its own. It simply follows the instructions and patterns it has learned from the vast amount of data we provide. It is a powerful reflection of human knowledge, not a replacement for human consciousness. The goal of Meta AI is not to outsmart humanity, but to augment it. It is designed to handle tasks that are difficult, time-consuming, or just plain boring for us. By taking care of the heavy lifting, it frees us up to focus on what we do best, being creative, thinking critically, and connecting with one another. It's a partnership, a collaboration between human minds and machine intelligence. The real surprise isn't that AI is smart, it's how this smartness can unlock our own potential. As we move forward, we'll see that AI is not something to be feared, but a powerful ally in our quest to solve big problems and build a better world. You might be surprised to learn that you probably use AI every single day, without even thinking about it. Do you use a virtual assistant on your phone like Siri or Google Assistant? When you ask for the weather or to set a timer, that's AI at work. It understands your spoken words, finds the information you need, and gives you a clear answer. This technology is built on the same principles as the conversational systems in Meta AI. It learns from millions of examples of human language to understand what you are asking for. It's a small, everyday miracle of modern technology that we now take for granted. Consider the chatbots you encounter when you visit a website for customer service. These aren't just simple programs with pre-written answers anymore. Many of them are powered by sophisticated AI that can understand the nuances of your questions and provide genuinely helpful responses. They can handle common queries instantly, 24 hours a day, which means you don't have to wait on hold for a human agent. This frees up the human support team to focus on more complex issues that require a personal touch. This is a perfect example of AI not taking jobs but changing them, allowing people to work on more interesting and challenging problems. Even your social media feed is curated by AI. When you scroll through Facebook or Instagram, an algorithm is working behind the scenes. It learns what you like based on the posts you interact with, the videos you watch, and the people you follow. It then tries to show you more content that it thinks you will find interesting and engaging. This is a form of personalization that would be impossible for a human to do for billions of users. Meta AI uses similar principles to help people discover new communities and content that align with their interests, making the vast digital world feel a little more personal and relevant to you. Finally, think about navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze. When you ask for the fastest route to a destination, AI is analyzing real-time traffic data from thousands of other drivers. It predicts traffic jams, suggests detours, and constantly recalculates your arrival time. This complex process happens in a matter of seconds, saving us time and frustration on the road. All these examples show that AI is not some distant future concept. It is already here, working quietly in the background as an invisible helper, making our daily routines smoother, faster, and more efficient in countless ways. Of course, with any powerful new technology, people have valid concerns. One of the biggest worries is about jobs. Will AI make human workers obsolete? It's true that AI will change the job market. Some repetitive tasks currently done by people will be automated. However, history shows us that technology tends to create new jobs, even as it replaces old ones. The invention of the car replaced the jobs of horse-drawn carriage drivers, but it created millions of new jobs in manufacturing, repair, and road construction. Experts believe AI will have a similar effect, creating new roles focused on managing, developing, and working alongside AI systems. Another major concern is fairness and bias. Since AI learns from data created by humans, it can sometimes learn our existing biases. For example, if an AI system for hiring is trained on historical data where men were hired more often for certain roles, it might unfairly favor male candidates. Researchers at Meta and other institutions are taking this problem very seriously. They are developing new techniques to audit AI systems for bias and create fairness toolkits that help developers build more equitable algorithms. The goal is to ensure that AI helps reduce human bias rather than amplifying it, and that its benefits are shared by everyone. Privacy is another important question. Meta AI and similar systems need large amounts of data to learn and improve. This raises concerns about how our personal information is collected, used, and protected. In response, experts are pioneering new methods like federated learning. This technique allows the AI to learn from data on individual devices, without the raw data ever leaving your phone or computer. It's like the AI visits the data to learn, instead of the data being sent to a central server. This is a crucial step in building AI that is both smart and respectful of our privacy, creating a foundation of trust. Ultimately, navigating these challenges requires a global conversation. It's not just up to the engineers and scientists. We need input from ethicists, policymakers, social scientists, and the public to decide what we want AI to do and what rules it should follow. Companies like Meta are engaging in these discussions and working to be transparent about how their AI models are built and trained. By addressing these big questions head-on, we can guide the development of AI in a responsible direction, ensuring it becomes a force for good that we can all trust and rely on for a better future. The most exciting part of Meta AI is its surprising applications in fields we never expected. In medicine, for example, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. It can analyze medical scans like X-rays or MRIs and spot tiny patterns that a human eye might miss. This could lead to earlier treatment for serious conditions like cancer, saving countless lives. In education, AI is creating personalized learning plans for students. It can identify a student's strengths and weaknesses and provide them with custom exercises and resources, acting like a personal tutor for every child in the classroom. The world of art and creativity is also being transformed. Meta AI can generate stunning images, write poetry, and even compose music based on a simple description. This doesn't replace human artists. It gives them a powerful new tool to play with. An artist can use AI to quickly visualize a complex idea or explore different styles before they even pick up a paintbrush. In the fight against climate change, AI is being used to monitor deforestation from satellite images, optimize energy grids to reduce waste, and help scientists model the effects of climate change with greater precision, helping us protect our planet. One of the most mind-blowing abilities of Meta AI is how it can communicate. It's getting so good at understanding and generating text that talking to it feels almost like talking to another person. This opens up incredible possibilities for how we interact with technology. Imagine being able to have a natural conversation with your computer to plan a trip, or collaborating with an AI partner to write a story. This technology is also breaking down language barriers. Real-time translation tools powered by AI can allow two people who speak different languages to have a seamless conversation, bringing the world closer together than ever before. The journey of Meta AI is just getting started, and its potential is truly limitless. As it gets smarter and more capable, it will continue to surprise us with new ways to solve problems and enrich our lives. The future of AI isn't something that will happen to us. It's something we will all build together. It's a future full of hope, collaboration, and endless discovery. What are your ideas for this technology? What amazing things do you think we could achieve with a smart and helpful AI by our side? The next chapter is unwritten, and we all have a chance to contribute to the story.